short ones. Well, I'm going to open it. Keep watching during the opening. Nobody's doing anything stupid.
Copy that. Have a great day out there.
So all of a sudden somebody's walking towards the bridge now. So what do we want to do? Because as the bridge raises, the opening's getting worse and worse. We want to stop it. I'm going up right here. He's already going through and not paying attention. He's got plenty of room. I want to continue my opening. Alright, it automatically resets, but I'm going to close it. Alright? So I'm going to initiate a close, but I'm going to use the horn 5 times. Caution, 14th Street Bridge is lowering. Where's the bridge?
Caution, caution, 7th Avenue bridge spans are going down. Caution, caution, 7th Avenue bridge spans are going down. Do you know the times for the next bridge?
I'm going to ignore that question.
Community Rail Bridge, Community Rail Bridge. We're going to reach Queens, southbound for your 240, please, 240.
None of his business if I did a test opening.